you have a jack?
Do you have one in the trunk?
There's one right there. That's what broke. There's
Hold
one
on.
on this side.
It broke?
It's up. Yes. The police have arrived.
Can we try to
lift it up
and pull them out? If we can.
Right here.
Let's try to see if we can move it first.
My husband's name is
See if
Devon.
you can pull him.
Pull him out.
Pull him out. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Where's the ambulance at? Fire should be coming right up.
7 Baker 34. We got him out.
Okay.
We still need fire though.
Relax, Zach.
Yeah, just relax.
Just relax. Okay. We have fire code 3, right?
No
bleeding.
No,
Okay.
he's fine.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
My name is Kaylin.
What's
He's laying down. He's just
Devon.
breathing.
Devon?
He's good. He's conscious.
Any injuries?
Hold on, Devon. Hang tight for a second.
He's conscious, alert, breathing, sitting up on his own.
Yeah.
So nothing doesn't look too bad right now.
This is my husband's phone.
How's the first?
Devon.
Oh, that was the first for me.
It's a first for me too.
You want some water? You want some cold water?
Yeah.
Jack stand, it looks like it compressed on the whole frame.
Or it slid off of the frame and went up into...
Well, I was under there trying to clip in the undercarriage, and it just
Probably
must
slipped
have
off.
bumped it, or oh gosh.
Don't ever use one of those again, man. You need a jack or something, you know, my mom's right here, I'm right here. Here you go.
You gotta jack it up and then put the
Man.
stand under it.
I was asleep and I heard somebody call 911. And I got up, I was like, oh shit. So I tried to get a jack or something, but the jack is screwed in that bag. So I was like, well, fuck, let me get a piece of wood or something.
Oh, is it because it's under the tire where you have to do the whole, like, and it's like a thread that's like 50 count long? Yeah.
Right. I've never seen nothing like that.
Oh.
Man, I'm glad you're all right, man. Glad you're all right.
Hey,
You guys are fast.
yeah, he drove fast. He got here
I
fast.
was like, this. We need to get there quick. This doesn't sound good.
Good job, man. Good job.
Thanks.
I'm going back
Thanks.
home
I think
today.
we needed that extra help on the lift.
Need you guys too.
Because I'm like, I don't know how long it would take me to get a jack out of our car if we even have one.
Yeah, that's what we had to do, man. I mean,
Yeah.
it would have took too long. Hey, man, I'm glad you're all right.
Me too.
Oh.
Make sure you give him something tonight.
Oh. No, right here. He's standing up now.
Show him your chest.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah, the car
Well-
fell. Yeah, but internally, I don't know what you got going on. You have to pull the car out. Yeah, that's
No, I mean,
it's out.
stiff,
Looks like the
obviously, but
compressed tube is literally stuck halfway under.
take my shirt off.
So we were able to move it just enough to slide it out. But well,
I tried and I couldn't
you're
get
welcome.
it.
No problem.
We'll be careful with it.
Yeah. Good call. When we heard it was a Honda, you're like, maybe we can.
Yeah.
If it's a Honda, maybe the three of
Well,
us.
and luckily he wasn't changing a tire. If he'd been changing a tire, it'd be a different.
Yeah.
It'd be a different story.
Yeah, if it was gone, the tire's not there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because the weight was just on the tire.
Yeah.
So.
How long was the phone call?
No, like 5 minutes maybe.
Were you able to speak the entire time?
Yeah, I was talking on the phone.
Okay.
The call was 6 minutes long and we got out a minute before the call ended.
Did you feel like you were having more than 100% pain you were being there?
Not too hard. I mean,
Take a shot on that one.
Still just a DC-9.
Yeah, I just so I could attach it. Here, I'll touch it.